Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay the subscription in Storeino.com. So what you need to do is go to the manager account, and then in your dashboard, as you can see, we have all the stores that we have created in our Storeino account. In my case here, as you can see, I have 3 stores and one of them is expired. So if I want to renew the subscription of my expired store, all I need to do is click on this button here, add payment, and then this page will show up, and we have of course the packs, we have the subscriptions, and we have the payment methods, and finally we have the discount button. First of all, we have the packs. We have the startup pack, and we have the professional, and then we have the business pack. Each one of these packs has its own features, and of course the professional pack is better than the startup one, and of course the business is better than both the professional and the startup pack. Just go ahead and choose whatever pack is useful for you and for your business, and of course for your store. Then we have the subscriptions types. Here, as you can see, we have the monthly, the quarterly, and we have the semesterly and yearly subscriptions. Here, as you can see, for example, I choose the quarterly because it has a minus 10% discount for the total payment of my subscription here, as you can see. So just go ahead and choose whatever subscription you feel comfortable with. And then we have the payment methods here, as you can see. For the payment methods, we have, of course, the credit card, and we have 2 options for the credit card. We have, first of all, the card that is international. For example, if you have an international card, or for example, if you're not in Morocco, where is Storeino is located, just go ahead and choose the international card option, and then just go ahead with the rest of the information to complete the payment. But for example, if you are a resident in Morocco and you only have a credit card that is only working in Morocco, go ahead and choose the second option here, as you can see, that has only Morocco here, as you can see, and then continue with the payment. Of course, we have the PayPal. Here, as you can see, the PayPal, of course, it's a basic payment method. Here, as you can see, just go ahead and fill in the information of your account to complete the payment. Here also we have the Cash Plus. Here, as you can see, if you are resident in Morocco, we have this agency of Cash Plus, where you can, of course, complete the payment of your subscription. All you need to do is select this option here, and then a code will show up. All you need to do is write down that code in your phone or in a paper, for example, and then go to the nearest agency to you, and then give them that code, and they will pay for you the subscription of your store. And finally, we have the bank transfer option. Here, as you can see, for the bank transfer option, all you need to do is, of course, copy or write down this account number here, as you can see, then go to the nearest bank to you, and then just transfer the money to this bank account here, as you can see. Here, we have the information of Storeino's bank account, and then when you do the transfer, they will give you a paper. Then just take a picture of the paper and send it to either our email or our WhatsApp number here. As you can see, we have all the information that you need to complete the payment, and then pay your subscription here, as you can see. That's all you need to do for this last option, or this last payment method here. And of course, we have the discount bar here, as you can see. If there is, like, for example, for the New Year's, we have like a special discount, just go ahead and type in the code of the discount that you have, and then click on verified, so that the amount of the discount will be subtracted from the total payment of your subscription. And then when you are eventually done with all this information, just go ahead and click on pay, and then your subscription will be paid successfully, and you will be able to use all the features of your pack that you have selected. So that was everything for this video. It was only a brief one explaining how to pay the subscription of your store in Storeino.com. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments or contact our support, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.